Our computers are remarkable instruments, letting us work, play, and communicate in a single device. But why do we interact with them with just a click? The all-new Conductor reinvents how you interface with your devices, combining natural gestures with boundless reprogrammability. With our versatile and uncompromising design, Conductor embodies a purpose-built creative tool that defines new ways of conducting your workflow. 6 3-degrees of freedom encoders allow precise control of demanding professional applications such as DaVinci Resolve, Maya, and Lightroom, bringing you closer to your content than ever before. Each custom-designed knob is precisely machined from a single piece of aircraft-grade aluminium and is carefully contoured to provide an ergonomic and controlled tactile experience. The O-ring mounting system was redefined for even pressure across the surface of the board, allowing for a more refined sound and typing feel. 12 J-Wick linear switches deliver a smooth and buttery sensation in every keystroke. Hand-forged 87-layer Damascus badges ensure each conductor is uniquely personalized to the individual and is the most complex material we have ever put in a keyboard. A 2-port USB-C pass-through allows seamless integration of companion devices, and an included high-speed adapter allows connection of legacy USB-A peripherals. At its core, an advanced satellite-grade 4-layer PCB mates with robust automotive-class processors to allow operation in the most demanding environments. The all-new Conductor achieves an elegant design that optimizes your workflow and introduces a radical new way of interfacing with your computer. It marks a milestone in the evolution of the keyboard.